Hey, hi, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. And in this video, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss a very important discussion, and most of the people you have heard about this, but they don't have any idea like how it works, what exactly, what are the benefits when people are going to get, how to utilize this concept. So a little bit thrilled about to know all what exactly you are going to do going to discuss today. Yes, we are going to discuss about HUF. So most of the people, I hope you have heard about this. So let me tell you what is HUF first. So HUF, it's nothing but Hindu undivided family. The full form, if I talk, it is nothing but Hindu undivided family. It started actually from 1947. I'm just talking about India, but yes, like people are on this community when they are going to get this benefit. Yeah, other community they have, even definitely they have the other benefit like MUF and all those stuff. It is already there. So now, what exactly full form of HUF we understood, like what exactly Hindu undivided family, but how it works, what exactly this HUF and what is the importance of this HUF. So let me tell you first, like most of the people, even people are who are taxpayer, and let's say like people, let's say having some different earning source, and let's say people are from the business community, and let's say people are earning from the multiple source. All those people, even they will be little bit fed up, like how even I can say even after having my all investment opportunities, so I'm not even able to save more tax, more tax, more tax. So this is very fair enough. If you ask even any of your financial consultant, if you ask even any of your tax consultant, say, I mean, they might have given you this suggestion, or you might not have received this kind of suggestion itself. So let me tell you first, as I told you, the people are earning even different sources. Let's say people are having some multiple sources of income, and especially let's say if I'm a businessman, and let's say I'm earning, let's say my flow of money, my earning source is very high. So definitely I need to think about this HUF concept, and I need to also understand how it works actually. So there are three different things in HUF. As I told you, the first, what I told you, that you can save your tax even multiple ways using by this HUF. So what is multiple ways? I'll come later. Second, the HUF account if you have, so there will be there will be one person who will be just like a leading role. I mean to say in typical Indian terminology, if I talk, it will be a katta. So on his or her name, yeah, let me tell you also, earlier like a few years back, when 5 6 years back, if you look out, the katta, the leading account should be on a male's name. But yes, now if you look out actually, the leading account can be even a female name also. So I'll just come again. So the female also can be even a katta even in this HUF. That is the point number two. The point number three is, how can I save the money, and what are the clauses even I can save the money. So all you are earning, even though whatever you are showing, you can all even save even by throughout even 80C section also. Clear? So this 3 points is very very important when I'm talking about HUF, right? So now what I'm talking about the multiple source, I think there are another two part, I think it's very much clear. But when I'm talking about multiple source, so what are the multiple sources? So now let's say I'm a businessman. Just imagine I'm a businessman, and let's say I have, let's say, different shops, different chain of business, different even people are involved in my business, right? So if I show, let's say, only one transaction on my account, so what will happen? The entire even cost of my tax, it will be on my name. It will be, let's say, in one source. Am I right? But yeah, if let's say I have, let's say I'm the karta, and let's say there is a family chain, there is a family business. Now let's say my wife, my son, even their sons, even my next two generation, three generation, four generation, so all I'll include under this HF, and similarly accepts for the earlier people, like people already, even let's say my father, my forefather, whatever it is. So the chain is coming like this. It's just like a family tree. So it will be, let's say, on a person who can be a karta, and under them, whatever even people I have in my family, so I am putting as similarly they are part of this HUF account. So let's say today I have, let's say, a 1 crore of, let's say, earning. I'm just giving a simple example. And if I put this 1 crore, let's say, in my name, so definitely what I'm going to get, I'm going to get a huge tax burden on my name. But now just imagine if I'm a similar business and let's say similar concept if I'm going to use. So I'm putting, let's say there are 10 people there in my family, 10 people there in my family chain, and all people I'm just adding, and let's say I'm just part of this business, even all 10 lakhs. So now you imagine even what will be your taxation, even deduction, even that will be almost even half of the burden you are released. I hope this concept you understood. And people are businessmen, people are earning even different sources. As I told you, if you are a salaried person, yes, salary definitely you cannot show any of your salaried income, you cannot show under even HUF. But yes, any other sources of income, any other multi source of income, even though you are a salaried person, let's say I'm earning from different sources, and let's say my any source, as I told you, which is definitely on your taxable income, so that you can again even convert even in your HUF account. Again, if you ask me, yes, as a husband, as a wife, even you can even open a HUF account. Yes, that is also even is possible. So typically just understand, this is a tool. This is a tool even government of India even already even implemented. And this is such a tool. If you know, like, even if you're a multi-billionaire people, if you're a multi even earning even guy, and if you have different source to earn money, so you can utilize this concept. As I told you, it's the same way you can divide the account, you can be the karta, you can include your family people under this, and you can even divide this money and all even deduction, whatever the tax slab, right? It will be individually, it will be counting. And you just imagine, if you calculate and if you sit with your tax consultant, I hope you'll be able to understand what level of income even you can save by this, right? So I hope it's quite interesting, and it's going to help you out, because majorly, like, people are looking out even at this period, how to save tax, how I need to implement my like, my taxable part, what are the things even I need to look out, who are the people even I can hold, like, who can give me a suggestion for to save my tax, right? So these are the certain tool you can utilize, and definitely it is going to help out for you, even for your business, for your income, and definitely for your family itself. And end of the day, you are a white person on tax paying, right? On the last note, like, most of the people having the same question, like, Kaushik, where are you going to open this account? So let me tell you, this is actually, it's a bank work. If you have a savings account, if you have a current account, whatever account you have, whichever bank you are holding, so that bank particularly you need to go, and you have to tell them, yes, I want to start even a HUF account. So it will be a separate account. Let me tell you the additional part. It will be a separate account. It is not like your regular account. It will be a separate account. For that, even you have to put even another PAN card also. That will be your HUF PAN card also, right? So these two things you have to make a note. And while you're waiting for, so just go if you want to take this advantage by this tool. So what you need to do, actually, you need to just rush to your bank. You have to talk to your bank manager and whoever your relationship manager, and just tell, yes, I want to start this, and they will never say no, because end of the day they are going to help you out, and you are going to, like, do this transaction even through bank itself, right? So have a great time, and I hope, as usual, like, whatever the videos, even past videos, I think you have already seen. Any questions, any doubt, any kind of, like, suggestion, more suggestion, if you want, you're always welcome. As I told you, you are every time I always ask you the same question, either personally, or let's say on the mail, or let's say on the chat box, or let's say on the, like, whatever you feel, actually, just put me a message, send me a mail. I'll be like, a moment, I'll just come back to you and I'll just help you out, right? So have a great time, And thanks for watching. Thank you so much.